First off, this video is not about the Z Flip being a terrible buy, not at all, but more about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus being a better value buy. I love my Z Flip, and if you own one or want one, smash that like button right now. And if you want the S20 Plus, smash that like button now, because both of these phones are fire. Now, what makes the Z Flip the talk of the tech community? Why was it the most sought after during the Unpacked event? Telling you, man, it was like a pack of hyenas and wolves all crowded over that table. It took me hours, player, before I could just get my hands on and my moments with the Samsung Z Flip. It was crazy, man. So basically, the number one reason why, so you're taking a 6.7-inch display, which is essentially a S20 Plus, and folding it down to a more compactable size, which is everything. You know what I mean? As someone who carries multiple large phones and devices, hold on, y'all, oh dang, I should have undid this button. Look at me, man, player, hold on, let the player get right real quick. Give me 1 second, man. Look at this. Get that in there. Bam, bam, you know what I'm saying? All jokes aside, as someone who carries multiple large devices, I appreciate the foldable form factor. With that being said, it's still early and technology has a way to go for these foldable phones. But thank you, Samsung, for making this technology available to us, the consumer. Now, another big deal is the 90-degree Flex View hookup right here, man. Now, this offers conveniences not available on any other standard smartphone. Being able to set your phone down on a surface, have it hold its balance, and wave for a selfie is absolutely clutch. And once more developers adopt this, who knows what the possibilities are? It's like inevitable, baby. We don't know. Oh, and if you're in clamshell mode, you have the ability to take advantage of the main camera while having a visual display. Yes, it's small, but you can get a selfie with main camera quality. Above all things, baby, I don't have to suffer. You know, sometimes the selfie camera can be a suffer depending on what your lighting situation is. But the fact is, we don't have to settle for the selfie camera quality. We can get the main camera quality while being able to frame the shot. Super duper clutch. Now, CJ, you've only told us how great the Galaxy Z Flip is. Why would you say that the S20 Plus is the better buy? Hold on, player, I'm gonna tell you right now. It's simple. So foldable tech isn't adopted by the masses just yet. It's still brand new and has a ways to go. Even Samsung limited the amount that they released into the wild. They gotta test the market. They had to test the market. The masses will go for what's familiar at the end of the day. Although large phones can be cumbersome and not always ideal, it's what we've all become accustomed to. So regardless if you aren't favorable to large phones, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna tough it out. Basically, that's what it comes down to. For the specs and the screen real estate. Screen real estate above everything, baby. Oh, and speaking of specs, number 3, the amount of updated feature-packed specs offered in the S20 Plus in comparison to the Z Flip at a cheaper price is exactly what makes it the better value. Basically, I want all of us to start spending our money wisely, especially if you need to. Now, if you don't, ball out, player, get a Z Flip. I am not mad at you. Now, with that being said, the Z Flip is no slack in features, player. That's another video, that's another conversation. You know what I mean? Stay tuned for my review coming up soon. Smash that sub button and turn on the bell to get the scoop on that hot take, because it's going down. So you can get the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus for $1,200 on the higher end, or only $600 with an eligible trade-in. So half off with a solid trade-in. How could I not take that deal? Not for the most spec'd out one, but for the S20 base joint. You can get that puppy for $600. We're talking about half off. Yo, bravo, Samsung. Y'all hear this? In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is amazing. I love mine. I won't trade it in for anything unless we're talking about the Fold 2. You know what I mean? Y'all seen those leaks lately and what they talking about? But basically what I'm trying to say is if you want to get a Z Flip and you can afford to get a Z Flip, get a Z Flip. But honestly, the value and the proper decision would be to get an S20 Plus. Just want to keep it honest. Save some bucks. Get an S20 Plus. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I know tech, so you don't have to. Smash that like button, smash that sub button, baby. Come back for some more video.